Hey guys, it's Don from City Warmth in Brighton, coming to you live from Seaford in Sussex. Today's day one of a Geek Zero Disrupt heat pump installation. The property is a detached chalet bungalow just off the coast.
Gosh, that view is stunning.
With a combi boiler currently installed and a heat loss of 5.83 kilowatts. Remember, when you're having a heat pump installed, you'll need to either have a hot water cylinder already, which could possibly be reused, or install a hot water cylinder as part of the works. Now, as this property currently has a combi boiler, we will be installing this Vaillant uniSTOR cylinder in their garage. The benefits of installing the cylinder here, aside from the space, is that we can leave the combi boiler installed and operational throughout the works until the last day. So the homeowner should have hot water throughout the duration of the entire job. Always a nice touch when you can achieve it. This installation comes with a combined minimum SCOP guarantee of 370%, making it cheaper to run than their gas boiler. And remember, the Geek guarantee runs for 5 years, giving you peace of mind that if your efficiency levels drop within the 5-year period, all the works required to bring them back up to scratch will be covered by Geek themselves. Let's go take a look inside. All right, the homeowners have just had the kitchen done. Look at that floor that they unearthed. What an absolute treasure to find. Right, let's have a look through this property. So on this one, we're not replacing a single radiator. There's the combi boiler that we're leaving installed throughout so they can have hot water, in theory, hopefully, every single day. There she is. But yes, need a cylinder, but all the radiators as they are staying, all been calculated into the algorithm and the heat loss for the property, and they're all fine. So sometimes it's 9 radiators, other times they're all absolutely good to remain. All right, let's get into the install. Up next is around 2 minutes of time-lapse footage of various aspects of the job. And then after that, I'll come back and show you the finished works in all their splendor. Cue music. Lovely, let's go. That's a wrap on this one, people. An 8 kilowatt Vaillant aroTHERM Pro, one of the first in the UK, wall mounted with a short run of primary Pro, which is fully bonded. Good to keep that run short as that bond and seal is nasty stuff. Then we've got all that primary pipework fully lagged with lovely miters and a brand new 250 litre Vaillant uniSTOR hot water cylinder all up and running. The homeowner has the My Vaillant app installed on their phone and has been shown how to use their new heat pump and system. We also have their account linked to ours, so we can monitor it remotely, ensuring any issues are dealt with swiftly. Thanks for tuning in, guys. If you want the team at City Warmth to install your new heat pump, give the office a call today. And as always, don't forget to subscribe and stay up to date with all other current heat pump and homeowner help videos we upload. Thanks, guys. See you soon.